Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Poco mobile guys one hand mode setting, how to use one hand mode in Poco mobile. Friends, you don't know how to use one hand mode setting, how to enable one hand mode in Poco mobile. So friends, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Poco mobile. So once in your Poco mobile, scroll it and open your phone additional setting. After my phone additional setting friends, you can use date and time, you can use language setting, you can use your cache shortcut setting, you can use screenshot setting from here. Friends, click here is one hand mode setting, and friends you want to enable one hand mode, so you can enable. After enable how to use one hand mode you can check in this video. So friends, we will enable one hand mode. After enable friends, right side and left side if you swipe here, so friends you can use one hand mode setting. So friends, first I will on gallery file app, and friends you want to use file app in one hand mode. Friends, right side swipe here, you can use file app in one hand mode. And guys, if you click here blank area, so you can use full screen. So friends, now we will try on YouTube. So we will on YouTube, and friends you want to use YouTube in one hand mode. So friends, right side swipe here, you can use it one hand mode YouTube. And friends, if you swipe here left side, so friends you can use YouTube in one hand mode. So like that friends, we can use one hand mode setting in Poco mobile. And friends, you don't want to use, so friends you can disable. After disable friends, you cannot use one hand mode. Left side right side friends, you cannot use it. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use one hand mode in Poco mobile.